Hey everyone, so right now we're doing a points poker session. So when we're trying to plan out projects and figure out what we're working on for the week or the timeline for certain features, we tend to not estimate our tasks in hours, we use points. It helps track velocity of the team, which gives us kind of a concept of how much work the team can get done every week. Developers often underestimate the work that they're working on, since in an ideal world everything goes according to plan. So points help us try to estimate tasks in the sense of complexity or how difficult a task might seem. This allows us to get away from our estimates, which are often faulty. So what we're doing right now is everyone at the table has a handful of cards with different points. We're going to be going through different user stories that we're trying to point out and estimate for the current project we're working on. So we're going to go through one of those right now just to show you how that works.
So the user story we're going to be pointing today is, as a user, I want to be able to search for a specific project. And does anybody have any questions about the actual scope of that, or any clarifying questions?
This is the front end version of the ticket?
Yeah, it's just the front end.
Do we have to worry about pagination, or are there a lot of results coming back?
I think the safe assumption to make is that we kind of just have 20 projects to work with at first, so we'll kind of come back to that afterwards.
Okay.
Alright, so we have them. Alright, so it seems that we're pretty in unison. Rudy, why do you think it was a 2?
A little unclear yet, maybe if we already have some of the stuff in place we're using. It's just an API call, but I'm happy to go up to a 3 for it.
Okay, yeah, let's just say it's a 3 for now, and we'll kind of write down those requirements and make sure we're on the same page with whoever's inputting the ticket.
Sounds good.
Coffee break.